Welcome to Dimple's an Arabian journey. Today's recipe, on popular demand for Navratri special, is Sabudana Vadas. Crispy and soft and yummy. Please check the description box below to follow the exact recipe. Do watch the entire video for the steps to be followed. So for the nutty Sabudana taste, what we need is peanuts or groundnuts. We need to really roast them very well. That's around 8 to 10 minutes approx. And then grind them into pulse mode. We don't want it a fine powder. You can just keep it or save some of the peanuts for adding that crunch into it. Always keep the flame on low, or else it tends to burn very quickly. So you need to be really quick and keep on roasting them well and good. Let the peanuts cool down for a minute or so, and then you can just grind it coarse into pulse mode. Keep the batch ready. Let us now check the ingredient list. So here I've taken around 400 grams of sabudana, which has been cleaned and soaked overnight. So they have swelled up really good, completely drained of water. They're not too mushy. They're dry and soft. You can keep them for around 3 to 4 hours extra. And the peanuts have been roasted very well, if you have seen the earlier clip. And I've grinded into coarse, not too fine powder. Here I've taken 1 cup of coriander leaves, finely chopped. Cumin, that is Jeera, around 1 tablespoon. These are some of the dry curry leaves. Salt for taste, around 2 tablespoons. This is roasted cumin powder, around 1 tablespoon. This is optional. I've just grinded them into fine powder. Some medium-sized boiled potatoes, which has been peeled. Around 4 to 5 medium-sized boiled potatoes. Green chilies, around 5 to 6, or adjust according to your taste or the level of spice you want. So these are the exact core ingredient for making perfect sabudana vadas. Transfer them into a bowl and knead them very good, around 15 to 20 minutes kneading process. I've divided the sabudana into batches and kneaded them into batches. Mash the boiled potatoes and keep it ready, and then you can add the mashed potatoes into the sabudana. Please add the coriander leaves with the stems. Actually, the stems have their unique flavors, so do not discard the stems of the coriander leaves. Along with the chilies, do add in. Add the roasted cumin powder, that is the Jeera powder. Now you can add the cumin. Add the curry leaves, fresh and dried one, together. Please add salt according to your taste. Here I've roughly added around 2 tablespoons. Please add the roasted peanuts which has been grinded coarse. You can save them and add them into batches as well. Please incorporate it well. Give it a good mix and then knead. Combine them thoroughly. Knead it for around 15 to 20 minutes. That's the trick of the soft and crispy at the same time. With your clean hands, just mix them thoroughly. Here I've added the Sabudana into batches. You can add them together or into batches. For the perfect vada, for the Sabudana vada, the trick is to knead them very well. That's around 15 to 20 minutes so that it doesn't break into pieces. Roll them and flatten so that it's cooked to perfect. It roughly took me around 15 to 20 minutes to make around 10 to 15 pieces of vadas. So if your consistency and the texture of the Sabudana has been good, and if you knead it very well, it won't take much time. So my perfect vadas are ready to be fried. What I'll do is divide them and then save it for a later. You can just freeze it for a day or two. Just put them inside a sandwich pouch, or you can also just put them in an airtight container, glass container preferably, and then you can use it. You can deep fry them, or you can, if you do not want too much of oil, so then you can air fry them, or either you can shallow fry them. You need to be quick and instantly drop those vadas into hot oil. Keep checking and flip each side every 2 minutes. It took me around 8 to 10 minutes approx for the perfectly cooked vadas. They look absolutely gorgeous. So they have swelled up really good, and also they look crispy and soft. So this is the basic thing you need to understand while making vadas, especially Sabudana vadas. It should be crispy from outside and well cooked from inside. They look perfect to me and they are so yummy. So our Navratri special Sabudana Vada is ready to go. Kindly check the description box below for the perfect recipe and for the ratio. Thank you for watching Dimple's and Arabian journey. If you like my videos, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Also, do connect us on our Facebook and Instagram page by the name Flora and Aroma. Thank you so much.